In this video, I'm going to show you an easy trick to get your phone charging if you notice the phone is not taking charge. So, if you always have your phone on the charger for excess hours, you can get this problem. So what you want to do, you want to do a force restart first. But let me leave the charger in so you will see how we fix this problem, right? So you want to hold the volume down, power button, use your two hands to hold the phone, and this is a quick fix. So sometimes it takes a while for the phone to reboot, so keep holding. Right, so the phone is now coming on. Let me focus the camera and focus the camera. Come on. So we should be seeing AT&T, and you can see here, I want you to see that it says that the phone is charging 91%. And if we plug the phone in, you can see that the phone is charging as well. And anytime you have these minor problems, always do a force restart. That's the first thing you should do. It doesn't have to be that you have a problem with your charging port. It doesn't have to be that something is wrong with the phone. It doesn't have to be a battery issue. It doesn't have to be a motherboard issue. So always do a force restart, and that's a quick fix. So I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe.